Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into the MDM console with your admin account and 2FA enabled. Once signed in, navigate to Inventory and export a CSV that includes device group, OS, enrollment date, and compliance status because raw data drives the report. While exporting, make sure to filter for the monthly range and any recently flagged devices so you don't miss incidents. This initial extraction saves time downstream and gives a single authoritative dataset to base metrics and visuals on. Once you have the CSV, clean and normalize fields in a spreadsheet or script, unify OS names, remove duplicates, and validate enrollment dates. Next, compute metrics, monthly enrollments, compliance percentage, incident counts, and average time to remediate, because stakeholders need clear KPIs. Then build pivot tables and trend charts to show movement versus previous months. Make sure to annotate anomalies and correlate them with changes like policy updates or mass OS upgrades, so the narrative explains what drove any spikes. You now assemble the report, open a template, write a concise executive summary, list key findings, and propose action items tied to the metrics. Insert the charts and attach the cleaned CSV, export to PDF, and verify access permissions so recipients can view attachments. Then send the report to your distribution list and schedule a short follow-up meeting. If the export fails, try smaller filtered batches or export via API. Often timeout issues are resolved by splitting the dataset and retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.